Hi, this is Oguzhan and welcome back to another UiPath tutorial. In this video, we will see how to use UiPath AutoPilot inside UiPath Studio. We will be creating sample workflow from scratch by simply giving prompts to AutoPilot. So let's start. For this tutorial, I have created this Excel file which contains employee list and their name, position, office location, age, start date and salary. So for this workflow, we will be filtering out based on their locations, office locations, and we will be adding that data tables into very same Excel. So let's start. First of all, I will get sequence to here and I will change name to main sequence. We have two options here. First, you can click Shift F2 and you can start typing and generate something from the autopilot, and also you can go like Ctrl Shift T and from here you can start typing, for example read Excel file and start, and you can click generate with autopilot and it is going to create that workflow for you. But for this example I will be using this part and we can actually explain what we want from autopilot here and it is going to create that workflow for us. So let's start. First I will say read this data table, actually it's Excel file, so read Excel file from employees sheet and save it to data table. Then find distinct office locations from office column using office column. Then filter out main or data table to sub data tables based on office location. Then write each data table to same Excel file with office location sheet name. Okay, let's try to generate the workflow. Click generate. Then it is going to take some time to create for us that workflow. The more you give some specification, the more autopilot will create easily for you that workflow. So we have this preview. It will read this file, find the office locations for each distinct office location, filtering out the sub data table for office location, filtering and write sub data table to that Excel file. So let's click confirm here. Okay, it's not quite right, but let's see. So it is reading Excel file. Okay, then it is going to filter collection. Actually here we need to find distinct values for office locations. So let's say office locations, and here actually we can also use autopilot and we can say filter out office locations distinct, filter out distinct office locations from employee data table, employees data table. Yes, function row office to string var function location distinct office location, filter out office column values from employee data table. Okay, I don't think this is going to work. Let's try again. Okay, office locations. Okay, office column I said, so I don't know how to do that, but let's try. Yeah, so it is going to get the office values, distinct office values. Let's click save. Okay, then here I am going to change this to list of string. click OK. Then I will have office locations, and I don't need this actually. Okay, then for each, let's see, let's delete this office locations. Let's call it location. Okay, then employee data table, sub data table. Let's see what is inside. Okay, we should be much more specific, I believe. So office equals to office location. Okay, so let's change it like office location, and here let me change it also like office location. Okay, sub data table. Okay, so let's see. Okay, just call it filtered data table. I know it is going to give some workload, but it is better than nothing. So you make some arrangements with your code, as I am doing here. So yeah. Okay, let's see this office location. Okay, it should be filtered data table. It should be office location. Now it's working. I don't know why, but it's working. So yeah, let's try to run this, close this actually, and see the result together. Okay, it finished working. And yeah, Tokyo, London, San Francisco, New York, Edinburgh, Sydney, and Singapore. Okay, we have all the locations. By the help of AutoPilot, it is not quite completed whole workflow. Maybe it's because my description is not enough or not quite right. Maybe you need to try a couple of times to get the exact results, but nevertheless, we just got our workflow by giving prompt to AutoPilot, and also we use this assign activity. We get the help from AutoPilot to get our LINQ expression actually. Yeah, for this we have to use prompt area and give that prompt to the AutoPilot, and it just automatically created this result for us. So yeah, basically you can use AutoPilot in your projects, and maybe you can save some time once you create some workflows with your daily automation tasks. So yeah, it's quite fun to use Gen AI inside UiPath Studio. Thank you very much for watching this video. It's been quite a long time since the last video, I know that, but I will try to keep you guys updated, and see you next time. Bye for now.